Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. It feels counterintuitive, but a camera that drinks sunshine can outlast a plugged-in sibling, and the Topo SolarCam C402 proves it. Field data shows the solar panel keeps the internal battery humming for up to 180 days, even when clouds linger, so you never scramble for a spare outlet. The kit's 13-foot cable lets you place the lens where you need it, whether on a porch roof or remote shed, and the wireless link stays rock steady. Free person detection trims noise, sending alerts only when a human crosses the defined zone, while the 1080-pixel sensor paints vivid color up to 30 foot after dark. With 512 gigabytes of local storage, you keep every crucial clip without a subscription. Verdict: perfect for off-grid homeowners craving hassle-free, high-definition vigilance.